Hi guys, how are you?
Hi everyone!
We're here over at the Frank Burr entrance of the Teaneck Creek Conservancy, and we are watching Frank Ottochian as he begins his installation of the Peace Totem right behind us. So we're gonna go talk to Frank. We're gonna ask him a little bit about his project and what he's been working on for these past few months.
It's a beautiful day, so you can definitely come take a hike. Remember, we are doing one-way directional hiking, so be sure that you're following the maps. Thanks guys.
All right. Okay. Hi Frank, how are you doing?
I'm doing okay, Allie.
All right, so can you explain to us just a little bit about your project and what it's going to look like?
Absolutely. About 4 months ago, we had a contractor come in and place this old telephone pole here, which at some point it will encompass these plates that have a message, what peace means to that child. There is a sample one right here.
Let's take a look.
And this is the size of each one. And there'll be at least 7 of them returning all the way around. It will create a brick-like pattern.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That sounds beautiful.
And this was the original tree, which this was going to be our totem.
Mm-hmm.
But it's rotted at the bottom, which we found out when we cleared the area with invasive weeds, if you will.
Yeah.
But right now I am installing nails with the use of these blocks to make sure that it is level, that each area that I'm nailing will represent the levels in which the cans will go around the pole.
Okay, so one level will be in between there,
Yes.
and those designate where it is.
Yes,
And-
and this will be like a mortar joint.
Oh,
if you
great.
will.
Yeah.
So it doesn't look like it's totally aluminum. I wanted a break in it.
Yeah.
And the cans, you know, there'll be one in the center and then 2 like that, just like a brick pattern.
Very cool.
Not like stacked
Yes.
one on top of each other. Because I wanted that look to it.
Very exciting. Yeah, I'm really excited to see how it comes out. And I know you've also been working with Anthony Santella. I know you mentioned he
Yes.
carved a dove for the top. Can you tell me a little bit about that too, real quick?
Sure. Anthony Santello is a former student of mine.
Wow,
that
really?
taught
I didn't know
at
that.
Teaneck High School. And when I came up with this idea 17 years ago, I wanted to acclimate it to Thomas Jefferson campus. But at the time, my boss thought that there were too much red tape involved in order to place this on the campus. So I scrapped it and stored it in my head. And when I reconnected with Anthony, I knew this was the time to do this project.
Exciting.
Because
Yeah.
he's a sculptor.
Yes. So it's gotten a whole new life here at Teaneck Creek. I'm just going to step out so everyone can see. So this is the first stage of installation, and we're going to be following this whole project along the entire journey. So you guys are going to get to see how it develops. All right. Thank you, Frank.
Thank you, Allie.
Bye.